Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed for a new video every Tuesday, and check out my description for my Instagram and my podcast and all the other things. Okay, so in today's video, I was gonna do a makeup tutorial, but then I started my makeup and I realized I forgot to film. So, I'm gonna do I'm gonna be washing my hair with some apple cider vinegar, which I've never done before, and I'm just gonna see what it's gonna do to my hair. So I'm gonna take you along. So I'm gonna take this makeup off, and I'm gonna wash my hair and take you along. So yeah, that's today's video. So if you want to watch that, continue watching. If not, that's okay. Click on some other video that is pretty interesting or more interesting. I don't know. And if you want a tutorial on this, I can do this again. Comment down below, or yeah. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you think it's good. So let's do this. Alright. So I'm going to wash my hair now, and I'll be back when it's wet. And then I'll rinse, and then I'll rinse my hair with the apple cider, let it dry, show you the results. You know the drill. If you watch some other videos, you know what to do. You know what? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do this now. So I thought this video should be different. I've been doing a lot of videos lately just about hair and other stuff, but I'm not sure what I want my content to be about right now. Like, it was on hair, but I haven't been focusing on my hair that much. So I'm still figuring that out. So if you have any ideas, comment down below. Yeah. Hot one coming, hot one, hot one. Okay, it's hot. I'm gonna wash my hair now. Oh, alright, so I rinsed my hair.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Can't forget the day we met. Piercing through the rocket bed. Everywhere I look, your smile so bright. When I see you, all I love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. I'm waiting for you, waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, waiting for you, my love. Can't forget the day we met. Something about that. You feel the look of this forever. When I see you, you are mine. I'm in love with your hair lips. Your silhouette in the moonlight shine. My love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love. You have my heart, you have my soul. You have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I don't believe. I'm loved with the songs that feel. You have lived this forever. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. You have my heart, you have my soul. You have my whole, you have my control. Love is not love, it's forever. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours. piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give.
Right, so I washed it, I rinsed it. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll be back with the results. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So these are the results of the rinse. Curls came out really nice. So yeah, if you want to try out this rinse, it helps with build up and all that stuff. So you should try it out. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe and stay tuned for come back for next week's next week's video. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.